So, we just have the Game Boy Advance SP. We're going to put the back together. Everything's all clean. And now we're going to put this LCD back into the case. There it is. Game Boy Advance SP is my friend. Alright, your friend. We're going to put this back together. And this is a brand new top with less scratches. So we're gonna get a tri-wing screwdriver. So we're gonna put the 5 screws back. We're gonna put 1 screw back, 1 screw, and 2 screw to go. There it is. Yeah, put a screw back, 2. Here's 3. 1 down, 2 down, and 3 beads. And finally, 4. Oh no, my battery's almost dead. And 5 down. Do anything? We're gonna put this. Ooh, we're gonna get the hinge. Hinge back. Okay. Tight. Pretty tight. Move that. The B button. What? Okay. The up, down, left, and right button. There's a B and A button. Put it back. There's select and start, but we have to put those back together. There it is. There she is. There's a speaker. I'm gonna put the speaker back. And there's a backlit button. Like that. We're gonna put this all the way back. And now we're gonna get. This is my almost down to my battery life. Oh. This is the border. Okay, sorry. This is. Where is it stuck? Oh, I scratched it. That's tight. That's okay. Okay. Yeah, I tested it. It works. Yeah, almost is charged pretty soon. We're gonna charge it. We're gonna charge your battery. Yep. 2. Okay, we got the board. Okay. Now we gotta put this back and oopsie daisy. We're almost done. Yep. Let me make sure everything buttons work. Good. So we're gonna put this back. It's just a clock. You hear elephants. Wait for a sec. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't quit. It stops. But keep going. There's 2 down. Three down. 4 down. 5 down. Where's this? Oh, there it is. A screw. And 6 down. Okay. Yep. This is a cute battery. Pretty good. Hello. This is battery. I love you. Love you, battery. Put it in. And a little tap. Yeah. There you have it. Now we're going to put the battery back to cover. Yep. And screw it. Oop. Okay, we're done. So, okay. So we're going to describe, this is brand new Gameboy Advance SP with the OEM battery with a 3.8 volts MN 600 milliamps. You want to see? Okay, set the camera. Look at that. 3.8 volts. W41BN. Lion battery MN. 3.8 volts, 600 milliamps. It's pretty lovely. It's pretty best battery on odd numbers. For 505, the third number, it has a 3.8 volts, and the odd numbers are 3.7 volts. It is not a Gentex battery. Okay, I love you.